Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our AIIMS Republic Employee Account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your AIIMS Republic Employee Account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser in search bar, you have to search for Employee Login AIIMS Republic. And after searching for that option, you just have to tap on this first option where it says All India Institute of Medical Science Republic. And now it will direct you to this page where you have to enter your employee ID and then enter the password and then enter the caption which is below. After entering all these details, what you can do is just tap on sign in and you will successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, you can easily reset or recover your password by tapping on forgot password and then change your password. And after changing your password, come back to this login page and just enter the new password that you have created and then tap on sign in. After doing that, you will successfully log into your account. And that's it guys, this is how to log into your AIIMS Republic employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.